Hello, fellow Indians. Happy Independence Day and welcome to Shivalaya, home of yoga. I'm Shivam Tomar and today we will work on strengthening our core. Make sure to like this video. I also make videos in Hindi. For that, check my playlist named Yoga in Hindi. If you have any question, ask me in the comment section. Subscribe to my channel for more awesome yoga videos. So, center. Exhale to your right, gaze to your left. Come back to the center, now to your left and to your right. Alright, with love in your heart and a big smile on your face, sit up. Moving to Asana, the boat pose. Slightly bend your knees. Inhale, bend your upper body back. Open your heart, chest up, back straight and balance between tailbone and sitting bone. Hands under your knees. On your next inhale, lift your legs up, shins parallel to the ground. Slowly straighten your hands forward. Take a deep breath in. Exhale out. Now you can again support your legs with your hands if you want. Try to straighten up your legs. Great, we're almost there. Exhale and release. Now bring your legs closer and give yourself a tight hug. Great. Self-love and self-care. It's awesome, right? Spend some time with yourself. And when you feel ready, come into tabletop position. Knees in line with your hips, hands in line with your shoulders. To keep back straight, engage your core. On inhale, lift your right leg up, parallel to the ground. Find your balance. Make adjustment if needed. Listen to your body's need, my friend. When you're all settled, on your next inhale, lift your left hand up. A little bird dog Parsva Balasana for us today. Keep your neck straight. Balance and breathe here for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Exhale. Slowly release your hand and your leg. If you have any distress in your wrists, sit in Vajrasana and rotate your wrists. Listen to your body. We are in no hurry. Inhale and lift your left leg up. Find your balance, find your ease. On next inhale, lift your right hand up straight. Try to grab the floor with your palms. It will distribute the weight evenly throughout your palm. We got this. Staying here for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Release. Rotate your wrists if needed. If you have had any injury related to your wrists, please be extra careful. Come into tabletop position again. Move to downward dog by lifting your hips up. Move your heels up and down. Take a deep breath in and out. And on next inhale, lift your right leg up high. On exhale, lift your left leg heel. Move your body forward like in plank and take your right knee to the left elbow. Inhale, leg up high. Exhale, move your body forward and take your knee to the right elbow. Again, inhale, leg up. Exhale, knee to your left. Inhale, leg goes up. And on exhale, knee to your right. Inhale deeply this time, leg up in the sky. Exhale, try touching the knee to the nose. Hold here, we got this. On next inhale, put your right leg on the floor. Walk your left hand in the middle. Rotate your body to your right, sliding left leg down. Lift up, and we are in side plank. Staying here for 4, 3, 2, 1. Release and come into downward dog again. Sit and rotate your wrists if needed. Otherwise, let's move on. From downward dog, come into plank position. Go further down towards the ground, and now inhale, open your chest up, straighten your hands, upward dog. Urdhva mukh svanasana. Knees will remain off the floor. Sit and rotate your wrists if needed. Come into downward dog. Inhale, lift your left leg up high. Exhale, left knee to your right elbow. Inhale, leg up. Exhale, knee to your left elbow. Inhale, leg goes up. We are doing great. Exhale, leg to your right elbow. Inhale, exhale to the left elbow. This time, inhale deeply, leg goes up high. Exhale, knee trying to touch the nose. Hold here. And now, place your left feet near your right knee. Walk your right hand in the center. Rotate your body to your left. And by sliding right leg down, lift your body up. Side plank. Staying here for 4, 3, 2, and 1. Release. Sit in Vajrasana and rotate your wrists. We are almost done here, guys, and you are doing fabulous. Alright, come into tabletop position, settle in. On your next inhale, lower back goes down, look up. On exhale, lift your knees off the ground, look at your navel area, upper back goes up. Doing it a few times. Inhale, knees on the floor, look up, lower back goes down. Exhale, knees off the floor, look at your navel area, upper back goes up. Move with your breath here. This is a variation of Marjariasana, cat and cow pose. You can also do it without lifting your knees off the ground. Last one, inhale, look up. Lower back goes down. Exhale. Shift your gaze to your navel area, knees off the floor or on the ground, your choice. And on exhale, bring your toes together. Sit on your heels, walk your hands forward. Forehead goes on the ground. Balasana, child's pose. Inhale deeply and exhale. Relax yourself, relax your body. Inhale again and exhale. You've been awesome today. Forget everything and just relax. Bring your attention to the tense areas and send more oxygen towards those areas. While breathing, relax more and more. Bring your hands near your feet and make your shoulders heavy and just relax. Relax your arms and relax your back. When you are done, sit up smiling. Thank you for sharing your precious time with me. Namaste.